Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of the most sought after topics, how to earn money online. With the rise of the internet and technological advancements, it has become easier than ever to make a living without leaving your home. There are numerous opportunities available for people of all ages and backgrounds, and in this video, we will be sharing with you some of the most effective ways to earn money online. 1. Freelancing. The first and most popular way to earn money online is through freelancing. Freelancing allows you to work for multiple clients from the comfort of your home, while still earning a good income. There are several platforms available for freelancers to find work, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. These platforms allow you to create a profile, showcase your skills, and apply for jobs that match your expertise. To start freelancing, you need to have a specific skill set. This could be anything from graphic design, content writing, web development, social media marketing, and much more. The key is to identify your strengths and market yourself accordingly. Once you have established yourself as a reliable freelancer, you can charge higher rates and attract more clients. 2. Online tutoring. If you have a passion for teaching and expertise in a particular subject, then online tutoring is a great way to earn money online. You can teach students from all over the world using video conferencing software such as Skype, Zoom, or Google Meet. There are several online tutoring platforms available, such as Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly. To become an online tutor, you need to have a strong knowledge of your subject and excellent communication skills. You can set your own rates and schedule, and the more experienced you become, the higher your rates can be. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. This can be done through a blog, YouTube channel, social media, or any other online platform. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. To become an affiliate marketer, you need to have a strong online presence and a loyal following. You should also have a good understanding of your target audience and the products that would interest them. Some of the most popular affiliate marketing programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. 4. Online surveys. Online surveys are a quick and easy way to earn money online. There are several websites that pay you to take surveys, such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vendale Research. All you have to do is sign up, fill out your profile, and start taking surveys. The amount you can earn from online surveys varies depending on the website and the length of the survey. However, it is a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. 5. Selling products online. If you have a talent for making handmade products or are an artist, you can sell your products online. There are several platforms available, such as Etsy, eBay, and Amazon, where you can sell your products to a global audience. You can also start your own website or social media page to promote your products. To be successful in selling products online, you need to have a strong online presence and excellent marketing skills. You should also be able to create unique and high-quality products that appeal to your target audience. 6. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative support to clients from a remote location. This can include tasks such as email management, social media management, data entry, and scheduling appointments. There are several websites, such as Upwork and Freelancer, where you can find virtual assistant jobs. To become a virtual assistant, you need to have excellent communication skills, attention to detail, and be able to manage your time efficiently. You should also have a good understanding of various software programs and be able to learn new tools quickly. 7. Creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses. There are several platforms, such as Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare, where you can upload your courses and reach a global audience. You can also promote your courses on social media and your website. To create a successful online course, you need to have a good understanding of your target audience and their learning needs. You should also be able to create engaging and informative content that is easy to understand. With online courses, You can earn a passive income while sharing your knowledge with others. 8. Writing and selling ebooks. If you have a talent for writing, you can create and sell ebooks. There are several platforms, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, where you can upload your ebook and reach a global audience. You can also promote your ebook on social media and your website. To write a successful ebook, you need to have a good understanding of your target audience and their needs. You should also be able to create engaging and informative content that is easy to read. With ebooks, you can earn a passive income while sharing your knowledge and creativity with others. 9. Starting a blog. Starting a blog is another great way to earn money online. You can monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling products. To start a successful blog, you need to have a good understanding of your target audience and their needs. You should also be able to create engaging and informative content that is easy to read. Once you have established a following, you can start monetizing your blog through various methods. With a successful blog, you can earn a passive income while sharing your thoughts and expertise with others. 10. Sell digital products. Digital products are intangible assets or pieces of media that can be sold repeatedly online. They come in the form of streamable or downloadable files, such as PDFs, plugins, and templates. For example, if you're passionate about music and have experience teaching it, you can teach lessons online through your own course. Digital assets are becoming more popular because they have high profit margins. Sure, it may take some time and money to develop them, but once the media or software is made, it's not expensive to store or deliver to customers. There is no limit to how many products you can sell. Digital products help creators scale themselves by using their expertise to create kits, printables, files, and other assets professionals can benefit from. As your online portfolio of digital products grows, you'll naturally be in a better position to make more money from your own online store. Thank you for watching our video on how to earn money online. We hope that you have found this information useful and informative. As we have discussed, there are numerous ways to make money online, and it all starts with identifying your strengths and finding your niche. Whether you are looking for a part-time or full-time income, there are plenty of opportunities to explore. The internet has made it possible for anyone to start a business or freelance career from the comfort of their own home. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, and it takes hard work, dedication, and persistence. Keep learning, growing, and adapting to new opportunities and technologies. We hope that this video has inspired you to take action and start your journey towards financial freedom. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family who may also be interested in earning money online. Thank you again for watching, and we wish you all the best in your online endeavors.